Welcome to Finance101, your go-to source for all things personal finance. In this video, we'll be discussing some key tips and strategies for managing your money as a freelancer or entrepreneur. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial management skills, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of personal finance for freelancers and entrepreneurs. So let's get started. Managing your money as a freelancer or entrepreneur can be challenging, especially if you're just starting out or if you're used to having a steady income from a traditional job. However, with a few key strategies and some discipline, you can learn to manage your finances effectively and set yourself up for long-term success. In this article, we'll explore some tips for managing your money as a freelancer or entrepreneur. Keep track of your income and expenses. One of the most important things you can do as a freelancer or entrepreneur is to keep track of your income and expenses. This will help you understand how much money you're making and where it's going, and it will make it easier to budget and plan for the future. You can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or a financial management tool like QuickBooks to track your income and expenses. Make sure you record every payment you receive and every expense you incur, no matter how small. Set up a separate business bank account. It's a good idea to set up a separate bank account for your business. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate, which can be especially important for tax purposes. Make sure you use your business bank account for all business-related transactions, including receiving payments from clients and paying for business expenses. Create a budget. Once you've tracked your income and expenses for a few months, you can use that information to create a budget. A budget can help you plan for your expenses and make sure you're not overspending. Start by listing your monthly expenses, including things like rent or mortgage, utilities, internet and phone bills, insurance, and any other regular expenses. Then, add up your total monthly income and subtract your expenses. This will give you an idea of how much money you have left over each month. If you have debt or are saving for a specific goal, make sure you include those expenses in your budget as well. Set aside money for taxes. As a freelancer or entrepreneur, you'll need to pay taxes on your income. Make sure you set aside a portion of your income each month to cover your tax bill. The exact amount you'll need to set aside will depend on your income level and the tax laws in your country. If you're not sure how much to set aside, it's a good idea to consult with a tax professional. Save for emergencies. As a freelancer or entrepreneur, your income may not always be steady. It's a good idea to have an emergency fund set up to cover unexpected expenses or to help you through a slow period. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund. You can start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually building up your savings over time. Invest in your business. If you're an entrepreneur, it's important to invest in your business. This might mean purchasing new equipment, hiring employees, or investing in marketing and advertising. Make sure you budget for these expenses and set aside money each month to invest in your business. This can help you grow your business and increase your income over time. Don't forget about retirement. As a freelancer or entrepreneur, you don't have the benefit of a company-sponsored retirement plan. However, it's still important to save for retirement. Consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, or a solo 401k to save for retirement. These accounts offer tax advantages and can help you build up your retirement savings over time. Be mindful of your spending. Finally, it's important to be mindful of your spending as a freelancer or entrepreneur. Because your income may not be steady, it's important to avoid overspending or taking on unnecessary debt. Make sure you're sticking to your budget and avoiding impulse purchases. If you do need to make a larger purchase, take the time to research your options and make sure it's a wise investment for your business. It can also be helpful to review your expenses periodically and see if there are any areas where you can cut back. For example, you may be able to negotiate lower rates with your service providers or find ways to reduce your utility bills. Consider working with a financial advisor. If you're struggling to manage your finances as a freelancer or entrepreneur, or if you're not sure where to start, consider working with a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you create a plan for managing your money and achieving your financial goals. Look for a financial advisor who specializes in working with freelancers or entrepreneurs, as they will have experience and expertise in the unique challenges you may face. Keep learning. Finally, it's important to keep learning about personal finance and money management. There are many resources available online and in books that can help you improve your financial literacy and make better decisions with your money. Consider reading books on personal finance, following financial blogs or podcasts, or attending workshops or webinars on money management. In conclusion, managing your money as a freelancer or entrepreneur can be challenging, but it's essential for long-term success. By tracking your income and expenses, creating a budget, setting aside money for taxes and emergencies, investing in your business, being mindful of your spending, and seeking out resources and support, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video on managing your money as a freelancer or entrepreneur. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you can apply them to your own financial situation. Don't forget to check out our next video that we'll be uploading tomorrow, where we'll be discussing another important topic in personal finance. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Also, be sure to follow us on our Instagram and TikTok accounts for more great content, and don't forget to click the link in the description for additional resources and information. Thanks again for watching Finance 101.